Lecture. Week 3. Viral Rhetoric and Political Illusion. Unit 1. Foundations, Surface, Structure, Signal. Introduction. This week, we move deeper into the relationship between media structures and political power. In particular, we will explore how rhetoric, when amplified by mass media and digital platforms, creates spectacles that displace substantive debate with emotional manipulation and symbolic identification. We anchor this discussion in Guy Debord's concept of the society of the spectacle and extend it through real-world campaign case studies. We will also study how rhetoric spreads virally, capturing attention while displacing complex truths. When image replaces ideology and performance replaces policy, what remains of democratic discourse? Key concepts. Spectacle, a mediated representation that replaces lived reality, creating passive consumption of political imagery. Viral rhetoric, speech crafted for mimetic spread rather than content depth, emotionally charged, often polarizing, and rapidly repeated. Symbolic politics, the use of metaphors, gestures, and simplified narratives to signal belonging and evoke collective identity. Lecture content. Debord argued that in the modern world, everything that was directly lived has moved away into a representation. Nowhere is this more visible than in political communication. Speeches become soundbites, debates become theater, and campaign messages are optimized not for meaning, but for shareability. Case studies like Barack Obama's "Yes, We Can," Donald Trump's "Build the Wall," or Alexandria Ocasio-Cortez's viral Instagram videos demonstrate the power of crafted moments to generate mass engagement, sometimes regardless of policy depth. In the digital age, political rhetoric behaves like a meme. Its success depends on virality, not veracity. The spectacle becomes not a mirror of reality, but a substitute for it. Socratic-style questions for class discussion. 1. Can viral political slogans ever produce meaningful civic engagement, or do they always reduce discourse to entertainment? 2. Is the popularity of a political message a sign of truth or merely effectiveness? 3. When you think of recent political moments that went viral, what made them so effective? Content, emotion, performance. 4. How does the spectacle shape our understanding of what leadership looks like? 5. If a political figure uses mimicry to reflect public emotion, is that manipulation or empathy? Assignment reminder. Team analysis. Dissecting the political spectacle. In groups of 3 to 4, select a viral political moment: speech, video clip, protest, campaign ad, etc. Deconstruct the rhetorical techniques used: emotional appeals, symbols, simplifications, media framing. Compare the spectacle to the underlying policy or issue. What is omitted, exaggerated, or transformed? Present your findings in a 5-minute group presentation next week. Closing thought. The spectacle is not merely a political strategy. It is the environment in which politics now occurs. Viral rhetoric has become both a symptom and a tool of modern media ecosystems. Our task is not to escape the spectacle, but to understand it and potentially design within or against it.